Alright, so in this video we're going to be installing some hood struts. These are from 86speed.com. I'll leave a link in the description to these. It should be a very simple installation. Should be a couple of bolts with a 12 mil and a 10 mil. So let's go ahead and get started getting these on. So in the box you should find a couple of brackets that we're going to be using to mount it, and the hood struts themselves. So for this installation process, the first thing you're going to want to do is remove this 12 mil bolt holding the hood to this bracket. And the second step we're going to want to do is remove this 10 mil bolt, pretty much just down here holding this piece of metal in. You want to go ahead and install the top bracket. Be sure to cross thread that in there. We can go ahead and tighten down the 10 mil that we removed earlier as well, which will house the lower bracket. And you want to tuck that little piece under that plastic to kind of line it up correctly. So now you want to go ahead and take the strut, and you want to go sticker side up, if you will, the black side to the top. And you just want to go ahead and just kind of push that in. And then now we want to lift the hood. Might have to take the prop out. And there we go. So that's the first side installed. That sticker's honestly pretty hot, boy.
Yeah, it is.
Watch your dome saw there, bud. Apparently one's definitely not strong enough.
That's why there's two.
That's why there's two. So the last step, you just want to go ahead and, kind of optional, you don't have to remove this, but you can go ahead and remove the factory hood prop. So there we go, we got the hood prop removed. So we just go ahead and store this in a safe place. And then just put the two 10 mil bolts right back in their original location so it holds in the bracket here. So you might be wondering, why would you want to replace the factory hood prop? For extra headroom, perhaps? Maybe for the ease of not having to deal with a prop? For this. It's the best sound in the world. So there we go, that's how you'd install gas hood struts on a BRZ, FRS, or GT86. Again, I will leave a link in the description to the ones I use in this video from 86speed. If you have any questions or if you have run into any issues with getting these installed, leave a comment below. I'll do everything I can to help you out. And as always, I'd like to thank each and every single one of you for watching. If you'd like to subscribe for more media core content just like this, please do, and take care.